Hi everyone, this is my week 6 for performance analysis video. I'm going to show how to use execution plans, find meeting index recommendations, create the index, rerun the query, and also show how to use SQL Server Profiler. Okay, here. The first thing I'm going to do is turn on the actual execution plan. I go to query, include actual execution plan, or press Ctrl+M. Now I'll run my first query on the sales order details table. It uses an unindexed character field to purposely create a bad performance scenario. And after running the query, I click the execution plan tab at the bottom. Here I can see the missing index recommendation in green text. When I hover the select operator, I can also see the estimated subtree cost. To see the recommended index, I right click the missing index message and choose missing index details. This gives me a create index script. I'm going to name the index something simple. Now the index is created. Next, I rerun the same query again. Now in the execution plan, the missing index recommendation has disappeared and the estimated subtree cost is lower, which shows improved performance. Now I'll do the same process with a second table. Again, I go to the execution plan tab and I see a missing index recommendation. I will open the missing index details and create the index. Now I rerun the query and the execution plan shows the index is being used. SQL Server Profiler. I select the default template and click run. Profiler is now capturing live activities such as query test durations, read and logins. To stop collecting data, I click the stop button. The two required profiler questions says, what are some use cases for SQL Server Profiler? Profiler is used to monitor real-time SQL activity, diagnose slow queries, track performance problems, observe user actions, and capture long-running or high-cost queries. 2. What are the major steps to use SQL Server Profiler? The major steps are open Profiler, choose a template, start the trace, watch events in real time, stop the trace when done, analyze the captured data. That concludes my performance analysis demonstration. I showed execution plans, missing index recommendations, creating indexes, performance improvement, and SQL Server Profiler. Thank you for watching.